To the people of Namibia, we would like to know the relationship between the president of Namibia and Museveni, who's corrupted all over the world, to exile our king in your land of Namibia. Which relationship do you have? Which relationship? In case of anything to happen to our king, you are accountable. People of Namibia and your president. Look what our king is in your land. We would like to know which relationship between the corrupted man, Museveni, and you, president of Namibia. Which relationship between you people of Namibia? Are you in the game of abducting people? Do you have many people of Uganda in your land? We would like to know. This is sensitive. Namibia, you are our fellow Africans. But you can't allow someone to torture somebody in your land and you keep silent. Why? They take our king in your land, in your forest. We would like to know. Maybe there is many Ugandans are there in torture chambers of yours, Namibia. Namibia people, raise up. We want our king out of your land. Mayega and Museveni, the so-called calling himself that you are prime minister of Uganda, when you are not. And you, Museveni, we need our king out of Namibia. And we by the way, you can leave our country because you are dealing with Namibia now, but before we knew, you are dealing with Angola. Who next to Namibia? We need our king out of Namibia. You people of Namibia and the president of Namibia, let all the world knows that you have a relationship between you and Museveni.